Hello everyone. In our last class, we started with median. So, what was median? Median is the middlemost value of the data. If I have an individual or a discrete series, then we look about how many number of terms are there, whether it's an even or odd. If there are 13 terms, then the mode will be 13 plus 1 by 2, that is 7th term. And if number of terms are 14, then it will be the average of 7th and 8th term. There are we need to find out the average of the two middle values. And if it is a continuous series, then we first find out the median class. Median class is the class which has cumulative frequency either equal to n by 2 or immediate greater than n by 2. And then we use the formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Right. So median, what was the unique properties of median? Is it properly defined? Will you always have median? If you have data, there will always be a middle value. So yes, median will always exist. Median is properly defined. Is it unique? Can you have more than one answer? In case of? Can I have more than one median value? No, you can have middle value, right? We'll only have one value, so it's unique. Is it based on all the observations? No, it is only based on the central 50% of the value. Then origin and scale property is the same. Then is it affected by extreme observation fluctuations? No. Then does it have mathematical treatment? No. I need to know the original values of the data. And it has a unique property that it is the only measure of central tendency that can be used for open-ended classes. Less than 10, more than 20 for it. Let's write down the properties. Number one, it is rigidly and properly defined. Number two, it is unique. Three, it is not based on all observations. It is based on the central 50% of the values. Basically, it ignores the initial 25% and the later 25%. It is not affected by extreme observation fluctuations. Has no mathematical treatment. So combined median, there's no such thing as that. Seven, affected by change of origin and scale. So if y is equal to a plus bx, then median of y equal a plus b into median of x. It is the only measure of central tendency. It is the only measure of central tendency that is used for open-end classes. That is used for open-end classes. Now, what does median do? No matter how my data looks like, it divides it into exactly two parts. So it is a value that parts my data, that divides my data into equal parts. How many parts? Two parts. So there are more observations like that that divides your data into equal parts. Median is the one that divides it into two equal parts. So we are talking about now a new term known as quartiles. Is it written online? Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm talking about the word quartiles. What are quartiles? The values in the table, the values, the observations, not necessarily in the table, but within the range of the table. Those observations, those values that divides the data into equal parts. So quartiles divides the data into equal parts, divides the data into equal parts. Now, depending upon how many parts are we dividing it into, we give them three different names. Quartiles comes from the word quarter. Quarter means four. So, quartiles are those values that divides your data into four equal parts. So, if I have been given the data, so I already know my smallest and my largest value. If quartiles I'm talking about, and it is going to divide my data into equal four parts, for that data I already know my smallest and my largest value. So if I want to now divide this line into four equal parts, how many lines should I put in between? Three lines. One, two, three. Right? When I put these 3 points in between, it divides my entire segment into four equal parts. So to divide my data into four equal parts, how many markings do I need to make? Three markings. So there are three quartiles. So quartiles divides the data into four equal parts. So how many quartiles will be there? There will be three quartiles, Q1, Q2, Q3. Now, similar to median was also dividing the data into two parts, right? So again, in quartiles, the data needs to be arranged. Data needs to be in ascending order. So if again, these are positional averages. So if I want my data to be arranged, and now I'm saying the first marking is Q1, the second marking is Q2, the third marking is Q3. So automatically they are in increasing order. So which one is the smallest quartile? Q1. Which one is the largest quartile?
Q3.
Q3. So we can say here that Q1 is smaller than Q2 is smaller than Q3. So Q1 is known as first or lower quartile. Now, can you tell me? So my entire data means 100% of my data. I'm dividing it into four equal parts. So each part will contain how much data? 1 by 4 or in percentage? 25%. So each of the part contains 25% data. Do you all agree?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I ask you before Q1, what percentage of data lies before Q1?
25.
25%. And what percentage of data lies after Q1?
70.
75%. Q3 is known as the third or upper quartile. So if this is Q3, how much percentage of data lies before Q3?
75.
75%. And how much lies after that?
25.
25%. So if I talk about Q2 will have how much percentage of data before it?
50%.
50-50. That means two equal part. And the number that divides the data into two equal part is known as
Median.
median. So Q2 does not have a new name. It is basically median. Yes? Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, quartile because four equal part. Now we have deciles come from decimal. Decimal means how many numbers? 10 numbers. So deciles, sorry, deciles. It divides the data into 10 equal parts. Divides the data into 10 equal parts. So to divide the data into 10 equal parts, how many markings do I need? 9 markings. So how many deciles will be there? How many deciles will be there? There will
9.
be 9 deciles, D1 to D9. And since it is in ascending order, so automatically I can say D1 smaller than D2 and smaller than D3 and D9 is the largest one. So if I'm dividing the entire data into 10 equal parts, the total data is 100%. So each part will contain 10% of the data. So if I'm saying that I have D1. So before D1, there is only one part. So how much percentage of data before D1
10.
and after?
90.
So before D7,
20%.
70%, before, after D7,
30.
clear? So can you tell me which decile will divide the data into two equal parts?
D5.
D5. D5 will divide the data into two equal parts, 50-50%. So basically, D5 is
Median.
median. D5 is median. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have the last one, percentiles. The word percentile obviously comes from percentage. So how many parts?
100.
Definitely 100 equal parts. How many markings will I need?
99.
90.
P1 to P99. There are 99 percentiles. P1, P2 up to P99. So if I'm making 100 parts, then each part will contain how much percentage? Each part will
1%.
contain how much percent? 1% of the data. So if I'm saying P1, before P1, what percentage of data?
1%.
And after P1,
99.
so after P13, 1, 3. So before P13,
12.
13%.
13 and after P13,
87%.
77, 1, 3. कितना?
87.
87. Kushal wrong to learn क्या करे? Clear? So which one will be median then?
50.
Very good. So we can conclude from here that Q2 equal D5 equal P50 and they are all equal to median. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I remove? Now we will learn how to calculate them. So again, we will talk about individual, discrete, continuous, all the three possibilities.
मैम हम लोग एक्सट्रीम्स को क्यों नहीं मूव करता है इसमें मानते हैं
मतलब
आप जैसे अभी आप ऊपर पॉइंट्स लिखा है तो उसमें लिखा था ना इट इज नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय एक्सट्रीम ऑब्जर्वेशंस
in
तो
median, we take the middle values. I'm not bothered with the smallest and the largest because my median will always be considered from the middle value.
तो मैम अगर पहला क्लास इंटरवल का फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज हुआ तो उससे तो इफेक्ट पड़ेगा ही उस पे
हाँ, लेकिन हम 2 का 7 कर दिया, क्या ही जाएगा?
ठीक है
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, how to calculate. For individual and discrete. For individual and discrete. For individual and discrete. So Qi, for Q1, Q2, Q3, whichever. Quartile means how many parts? 4.
4.
Numerator would be n plus 1 fixed and into I. So if I want Q1, it will be 1 into n plus 1 by 4th observation. If I want Q3, it will be 3 into n plus 1 by 4th observation. Deciles. So how many parts? 10 parts. Whichever part you want, multiply that. So if I want D3, what will I write? 3 into n plus 1 by 10th observation. If I want D7, 7 into n plus 1 by 10. So can you tell me what will be percentile formula?
I1
I
plus
into
n plus 1
by
by 100.
100th observation. So if I want P33, 33 into n plus 1 by 100th observation. So from here, a theory question comes, what is rank of Q3? So whenever they ask you rank of Q3 means what is the formula? 3 into n plus 1 by 4. That is rank of Q3. What will be rank of P40? 40 into n plus 1 upon 100. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in order to find Q1, Q2 and all these things, we need to first arrange the data. So question 60, 38, 46, 43, 50, 58, 65, 69. First, arrange the data in ascending order. Arrange the data in ascending order. So, answer would be first 38, 43, 46, 50, 58, 60, 65, 69. N is small and capital N any which way. 8. So Q1, let's calculate Q1. Formula is n plus 1 upon 4th observation. So 9 by 4th observation. What is 9 by 4?
2.25.
2.25.
Now understand.
2.2.
This means it will be after 2. That means it will be somewhere between 43 and 46. What is the gap between them? 3. So it will take the second observation 43 and add 25% of the gap. Whatever is the gap between the second and the third observation, it will take extra 0.25 of that. So basically it is second observation plus 0.25 into third minus second. So 43 plus 0.25 extra of the gap. So 43.75. If it would have been 3.45, then third observation plus 0.45 times the gap. Gap between the next two terms. Okay? For example, suppose I want to calculate Q3. Q3 is 3 into n plus 1 by 4th observation. So this will be 6.7 fifth observation. So I will write sixth number plus 0.75 into difference. So sixth observation is 60. plus 0.75 into 65 minus 60. So 60 plus 0.75 into 5. Final answer 63.75. Understood? Calculate D4. Calculate D4.
मैम हम लोग वो Q2 और P50 और वो सब का वैल्यूज नहीं निकालते है ना?
Sorry, they will tell you na which one to find.
नहीं, अगर मतलब हम लोग क्वार्टाइल 2 निकालने बोला तो मतलब वैसे 2
मीडियन ही तो
है।
निकालना है, डायरेक्ट मीडियन ही निकालना है.
ठीक है.
Suppose I want D3. D3 is 3 into n plus 1 upon 10th. 2.7th term. So second term plus 0.7. Third minus second. Second term 43 plus 0.7. Third minus second. 46 minus 43. So 43 plus 0.7 into 3. 45.1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear?
मैम रैंक मतलब क्या हुआ?
जो आपका ये फॉर्मूला हुई. Done? Question. 46, 35, 28, 52, 54, 43, 35, 49, 46, 50, 41. Find Q1, Q3, D7, D40. जितना बार है उतना बार लेना. The number of times I provide you the number, that's the number of times I'm going to use the number.
हो गया मैम.
Arrange. 28, 35, 35, 41, 43, 46, 46, 49, 50, 52, 54. So for Q1,
मैम एक
Number
बार
of
क्वेश्चन
terms
फिर से
is,
दिखा सकते हैं क्या क्वेश्चन?
sorry,
एक बार क्वेश्चन फिर से दिखा दीजिए ना, क्या क्या निकालना है।
यही था क्वेश्चन.
स्क्रीन पे दिख नहीं रहा है। सॉरी सॉरी, हाँ मैम दिख गया।
So n plus 1 by fourth term. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 4 is third term. So 35 is Q1. Q3. 3 into n plus 1 upon 4. So ninth term, 50. B7. 7 into n plus 1 by 10th term. 7 into 12 upon 10. 8.4th term. So 8th term plus 0.4. Ninth minus 8th. 49 plus 0.4. 50 minus 49. Answer is 49.4. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then P40. 40 into 11 plus 1 upon 100th term. 4.8th term. So fourth term plus 0.8 into fifth minus fourth. Fourth term is 41. 43 minus 41. 42.6. Does it match, guys?
हाँ मैम.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for continuous series. See, don't write. When we talked about median, the formula was L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So median was also Q2. Median was Q2. So this N by 2, can I not think it as N by 4 because it's quartile, and since second quartile I can say as 2 N by 4. It is same as N by 2. But this helps me to find out Q1 formula. What would be Q1? L plus 1N by 4 minus CF by F into H. So again, I will first find out N by 4, which will give me Q1 class, and then I will find this. If I want to find Q3, L plus Cn by 4 minus Cf by F into H. Yes? Similarly, again, I can think of median as D5, right? So N by 2 can be written as fifth decile. So if I want to find out any decile, it will be L plus In by 10 minus Cf by F into H. If I want to find out any percentile, In by 100 minus Cf by F into H. Everybody clear?
मैम n+1 होता था ना?
Only in individual and discrete. In continuous, it's N. Is everybody okay? Please note down.
हाँ मैम.
Note down the formulas. Done? Let's try. Question. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Frequency 16, 14, 23, 17, 7, and 3. Whenever we are finding quartiles, basically we will need cumulative frequency. Find out CF. 16, 30, 53, 70, 77, 80. To find Q1, we will first need n by 4. N by 4 is 20, right? So this one will be the Q1 class. Do you all agree? The CF just greater than 20 is 30. Second interval. So second interval is Q1. So the value of Q1 will be 100% between 10 to 20. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So formula L plus n by 4 minus CF. What will be my CF? 16 divided by F. The frequency of the class 14 into H. H will be 20 minus 10. 10. Answer. Since it's 5, 7, so 12.86. Yes, no?
Yes,
Calculate
ma'am.
Q3. Calculate Q3.
Forty-one point four three.
So 3n by 4, which is 60. This is Q3 class. So Q3, 10 plus 60 minus 53 by 17 into H is again 10. 70 divided.
मैम क्लास सेम नहीं रहेगा?
नहीं, कैसे रहेगा? Class तो it will change according to the n by 4 value, na? 1, 2. Is it okay, guys? Any doubts? The median class depended upon n by 2. So Q1 class depend upon n by 4. Q3 class depend upon Cn by 4. Yes?
Yes,
If I
ma'am.
want D3, I will first calculate 3n by 10. I will first calculate 3n by 10. 3 into 80 by 10, that is 24. Which one will be D3 class? Same as Q1? Same as Q1?
Yes, ma'am.
So Q D3 L plus 3n by 4 minus CF by F into H. Answer
15.7.
15.714. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody clear?
Yes,
Try. Class interval and frequency. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency is 22, 38, 46, 35, 20. 22. Find Q1, Q3, D7, P20. Calculate. Cumulative frequency 22, 60, 106, 141, 161. So for Q1, we will be finding N by 4, 40.25. This is Q1 class. So Q1 will be 10 plus 40.25 minus 22 divided by 38 into 10. Remember, if it would not have been exclusive, you are supposed to make it exclusive. Okay? Answer 14.802. For Q4, Q3 it is 3n by 4. क्यों बनाना ऑप्शन में देख लेना क्या अच्छी 120.75. So this is Q3 class. So Q3 will be L plus 3n by 4 minus CF by F into 10.
34.21.
34.21. Does it match, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody done till here?
हाँ
No. For D7, 7n by 10. 112.7. So same. This is D7 class. D7 will be 30 plus 7n by 10 minus CF upon F into H. 31.914. Clear?
हाँ मैं
For P20, 20n by 100, 32.2. So P20, 32.2. This will be P40, P20. 10 plus 32.2 minus 22 by 38 into 10. 12.684. Any doubt, guys?
No, ma'am.
All of you clear?
हाँ
And the next topic is mode. Mode is the maximum repeated value or the most frequent value. Most frequent value. Most frequent value. So if it is individual and discrete, in individual, take the one that is maximum repeated. Mode will be maximum repeated value. In case of discrete, mode will be the value of x with maximum frequency. Value of x with maximum frequency. For continuous, we will use the formula. Okay, I'll come to that. So for example, if the data is 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 4, mode will be
3, ma'am.
3. If the data would have been 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, mode will be both 2 and 3,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Both 2 and 3. That means mode till now is the only central tendency that is not unique. It can have more than one answer, right? It can have unique also, it can have more than one also. Agreed? In case of discrete, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 8, 3, 5. What is the maximum frequency? 10. But the mode is the value of x. So mode is value of x with maximum frequency. So 5 has maximum frequency. Mode is 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear? When it comes to continuous, we first find out modal class. Modal class is the class with maximum frequency. Modal class is the class with maximum frequency. And then we use the formula. Mode is L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is lower limit of modal class. F0. So if it is F0, F1, F2, we always have F0, 1, 2, right? So if this is a modal class, right? This is F1, the above frequency F0 and the below will be F2. So F0 frequency of class before modal class. F1 is frequency of modal class. F2 frequency of class next to modal class. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Till here okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So question. Class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Frequency 2, 4, 15, 6, 7. So mode is one of the most easiest thing to find because for mean we need to multiply fx so many times m plus and then divide. For median we need to create another column cumulative frequency. For mode we don't need to do anything. Individual data, the original data itself. So out of here, which one is the modal class? This is modal class because this class has the maximum frequency. This is L. Again, it has to be exclusive in nature. This is F0, this is F1, this is F2. So mode L plus F1 minus F0 twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H is 15 minus 10, 5. Answer. प्लस करना बोलो Mode
12.5.
will be
12.75.
12.75. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. Class interval. Forty to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. Frequency 12, 30, 24, 20, 12. 2. Which one is model class?
50 to 59.
This is model class. So only this interval you make it complete. So for this, the interval will be actually 49.5 to 59.5. I don't need rest of the data. This is my model class. Presentation में चाहे तो डालना नहीं है. L plus F1 minus F0. This is F1, this is F0, this is F. If the first interval would have been your model class, then the preceding frequency will be 0. If the last interval is your model class, then the next frequency F2 will be 0. F1 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What will be H? 59.5 minus 49.5 from the exclusive part. Calculate.
57.
One second. $57. Mode is 57. Guys, clear? Yes? All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's it for today's session.